Two circuits have coefficient of mutual induction of 0.09 Henry. Average EMF induced in the secondary coil by a change in the current of 0 to 20 ampere in 0.006 seconds in primary will be. So in this question, first of all, what information is being provided us? That mutual induction coefficient. So mutual induction coefficient M is equal to 0.09 Henry, which we can write 9 into 10 to the power 9 minus 2 Henry. Now they are asking the value of average EMF induced in the secondary coil. That means they are asking the E2, right? By the change in the current from 0 to 20 ampere in primary coil. So I final 1 is equal to 20 ampere and I initial 1, okay, which is 0 ampere, right? Now 0.06, and the time is also being provided. That time delta t is 0.006 seconds, which can be written as 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 seconds, right? So we can see situation is like this. Suppose there are two loops, so we are changing the value of current in primary loop. Let's say this is loop 1, this is loop 2. So because of changing of the current, of course there will be field lines, magnetic field lines like this. So flux will change, right? So magnetic flux in secondary coil will change due to change in the current in the primary coil, right? That is the major important line which I have written. So what will happen? I am saying that phi 2 will be proportional to I means I1. That means phi 2 is equal to M I1. So this M is nothing else, mutual induction coefficient, right? Now you need EMF. So if you derive both the sides, differentiate, then you get d phi by dt is equal to dmi1 divided by dt, or else you can write mdi1 divided by dt. This will be d phi 2 by dt. Now we are very clear that d phi by dt is the rate of change of flux, which is nothing else EMF E2 in the secondary coil, and this will become M, and this di we can write delta I upon delta t. And now we need to just put the values. We are pretty okay that this will become I final 1 minus I initial 1 divided by delta t. Now just our task is to put the values and get the final answers. So let me remove this. So what do we get now? We get M will be is equal to, not M, we need to find E2. So E2 will be is equal to M value is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 into I final, which is 20, initial was 0, divide by delta t, which is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this will be cancelled out, 3 and 2, this is 10 to the power minus 3, this is 10 to the power minus 2, this will give you 10 to the power minus 1, it will go in numerator. So this will be 3 into 10 into 20 by 2. So this will be cancelled out. So finally you got 300 volts. So the value of induced EMF in the secondary coil because of changing in the current in the primary coil, which is 300 volts. So which option is the right value? Option number 4 is the right choice. Okay.